Hi everyone, in this video we're going to demonstrate how nRF7002 can be used as a metal device with the Amazon Echo Dot. Powering the board, slide switch to turn on and the default application starts running. In the Visual Studio Code, creating the matter application, we're going to use a light bulb, building the firmware and programming to the board. Let's open up the serial port and you start seeing logs here. Note the QR code link which is used for provisioning the matter device. Now the application light bulb is running on the board. Hey Alexa, what's the time?
Good morning, Ashok. The time is 11:52 a.m. Hope you're having a fun Sunday.
Amazon Echo Dot, which is 5th generation. So let's set up the board with the Alexa app. Okay, once the setup is completed, the device is added to the app. We can just go to light and we can control it. We can do on and off from the app. Also, there's a routine option where we can do automation. This allows us to control from the voice command. Alexa, turn on all the lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off all the lights.
Okay.
Thank you guys.